do that again.
Oh, I got the game.
Yeah.
Hey, give me more games.
That's right.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Super City Slots Plus. We're on the High Limit and the Venetian. We're playing the Lightning Link, the high stakes. The grand is 130,000, the major is 55,000. So you need, what do you need on this? You need 6 of the chips or more, and 3 of the golden cases. So wish me luck, here we go. I got 3. I don't think I've ever gotten one of those. There we go. I'll take it.
Yeah.
I can probably take the chair and put it on this
Don't worry
side.
about it. All right.
Okay, so we got the 6 chips, so come with me. Let's see what we can do, okay?
All the chippies. Oh, the chippies.
Chip.
Nom.
Come on, chip.
All of them. Put a minor in there or something. Say the date. Say it. Yeah.
Here we
Get a
go.
minor.
Come on. There.
3 left.
Come on, let's do it. Come on, chippy.
Chippy. Nom. Say the date. Oh, that's a decent one.
Chippy.
Mao game.
Chippy.
Chips and salsa.
Come on, give me one more.
Do it.
Okay.
Not bad.
Not bad. Winnability. Come on, give me 6 chips or 3 cases. Got 1 case. Oh, we need 2 more. None. 6 chips or a good hand? That one. That was funny. Can I get a mimosa?
What'd you get?
I gave you the fives. Six chips or 3 golden cases. Three more. Sounded good, huh?
Yeah. All the chippies.
Three more. Four more. That time.
Like a lane game.
Oh, it went right past.
Yeah.
See that? That was one jackpot. They're just standing there. I don't know what's wrong with them. Yeah. Oh. Oh. It wants to get it to me. Three more. Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, everybody, that concludes this session. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.